In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show YouTuber subscriber in Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean YouTube block on your Linktree that points to your channel and is set up with the proper title, link details, and layout so it looks great and works exactly as expected. First, head to YouTube and open your channel's main page. From there, copy the channel URL directly from your browser's address bar. Make sure you're copying the channel link itself, not a link to a specific video or a studio page. If your channel uses a handle, that's fine. If it uses a long channel ID, that works too. The key is to grab the homepage URL visitors should land on. Now move over to your Linktree dashboard and go to the links section on the left side. This is where you manage everything your audience sees. You'll notice a live preview on the right, which updates as you go, so you can keep an eye on how things will look on your public page. Click Add to create a new link. When the link types appear, choose the YouTube option. Picking the dedicated YouTube type matters because it's optimized for channel links and is designed to surface YouTube-specific details in your Linktree block. It keeps everything consistent, recognizable, and easy for people to tap. Give your link a clear, inviting title. Keep it short and action-oriented, like subscribe on YouTube or watch on YouTube. If you prefer to include your channel name, you can, but make sure it remains readable on mobile. The goal is to make it obvious what visitors should do. Paste the YouTube channel URL you copied earlier into the URL field. Double check for any extra characters or spaces. If you realize you grabbed a video link by mistake, go back and copy the main channel URL so the block points to the right place. Open the link settings for this block. Here you can fine-tune how the link behaves and stands out. Adjust visibility, enable any highlighting options available to draw attention, and add a thumbnail or icon if the interface provides one. Small visual touches can make your YouTube link a lot more clickable. Finally, head to the layout controls. This is where you style the appearance and arrange where the YouTube block sits among your other links. Use the preview to verify spacing, colors, and emphasis so it aligns with your overall theme. Once everything looks right, you're done. Your Linktree now features your YouTube channel link in a polished layout, ready for visitors to subscribe and engage.